Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a viral video ads for your e-commerce product in 2026. So for example, if I want to show you, guys, this bulb is so bright, you can buy it. You will buy it? Exactly not. Instead, if I show you the video ad like,
The light is so bright.
probably you will buy it. This video could be the viral and you will get a lot of commission on that. Let me show you how you can do it by yourself with AI instantly. So no more talks, let's get started. Guys, first of all, open your browser and visit gemini.google.com. Gemini is a great tool to generate image. Okay, so in Gemini you have to upload your image and your character image. For example, I have added my own photo, this one, and I have added another photo, this one, as a two, and I have inputted this prompt. Don't worry guys, I will put this prompt in this video description. You just copy and paste. So this is the image generation prompt. You can replace any image, you can put any image, and that image will replace in your image. Okay, so the image I will get like this from Gemini. Okay, then the next part is go to VO3 and may add that image and use this another prompt. Okay, so this is the another prompt guys for generating video. Okay, I will put this prompt as well in this video description, and with this prompt and with this video image I made this video, and this is the result guys. How cool is this? Like TikTok format video, you can do that, no problem, no issue. Just you need to generate the, you need to mention, you need the vertical angle character image, and then you need to put that image again to the VO3 and generate your own image. Okay, so that is so simple, is that. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.